I don't know how you're going to put this puzzle together because you forget more about your business every day than I'll ever know. But we've got a group that for whatever reason, they don't want to take action. They don't want to do this. They don't see the value. They're okay with rolling the dice another year here and seeing what happens. And you need them to get you access. The line I want you to make sure that you're weaving in is the reason why I'm telling you this, okay? And the first side of the reason why I'm telling you this, I want you to explain everything that they typically do, okay? Then I want you to say, the reason why I'm telling you this is, and then explain either the benefit that can be achieved if they go outside of the norm and get you what you need, or the loss. So that might sound like this. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally because there's a little tip that the top brokers have come to realize, and a lot of them through a lot of pain and heartache. And I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of what's going on, and certainly don't get yourself into some of the positions that I've seen other brokers getting into. Yeah, what's going on, Peter? Here's what's going on. Most brokers, okay, and I get it, you're not gonna hurt my feelings. I live and breathe this stuff. I'm super passionate about this stuff. I get it. Most brokers are trying to get through the day. You're trying to get through tax season. You're trying to get through this. And the tendency is, I don't want to do any churn. I don't want to get anything XYZ or ABC. I'll just leave things the way they are. The reason why I'm telling you this is the likelihood that things are going to continue to be optimized is very, very slim. And with the changes that we've had in the market, that likelihood is getting smaller every day. And what most people aren't realizing is I can do the heavy lifting on that. Is it a bit of a pain on your end? Yes. Okay. Is it going to require X, Y, Z, or ABC? Absolutely. But what people don't realize is, and the reason why I wanted to bring this up with you, if you can allow me to help you, one, we're going to minimize the risk. Two, we're going to maximize the return, or at the very least, you're going to have insights from me that are going to give you that view into what's going on in that client's world. And that's where you got to fill all that in. But what I'm doing there is I'm breaking it down and not saying, hey, can I get the stuff so I can make your world better? Because they're going to go, I'm all good, right? So I have to start with what everybody doesn't give the stuff, okay? A few people have now come to realize that ain't the right way to do it because you end up getting burned. You end up losing clients. In the long run, it's not the right way.
It's like I love going with brokers to try and get BORs and take business off of brokers that aren't doing the right renewal process because it's so easy from the client's perspective. Because a lot of times that works better for me, but I also have to deal with the other side of that, right? And so a lot of times, like if the broker doesn't do this process, they lose the groups.
Yeah.
And
that's where you got to bring it up in a gentle way. And the gentle way is the reason why I'm telling you this. If you're anything like most brokers, this doesn't seem like a big deal, but it tends to blow up. And the reason why I'm telling you this is I have had many brokers that I've worked with go that traditional way of doing it only to really do some damage to their book. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of what's going on. I'm happy to help and make sure this doesn't happen to you. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that. I just wanted to make sure that you were aware that this is changing, right? And put it out that way. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.